Hello, how you doing today? My name is Dylan. I'm a contractor with Supreme Restorations out here on Mr. Benelia Lazo's roof. About to do a repair attempt on that shingle there. I'll get closer to it in a second. Today is August 4th, 2025. It is 1 o'clock, 81 degrees out. Claim number is 329354. G as in go, Q as in question. These are the tools we're using for our repair attempt. We have our putty knife, we have our snake tool, our Swanson tool, our hammer, and our shingle. We're also using 1 1/4 inch nails. And right here, with this shingle with the crease line going across the entire top, that's the one we will be trying to replace. I have 2 nails. I just want to point this out. The shingle is bigger. This roof is discontinued, so the laminate strip does go down farther than it should, and we can't cut that off. It also extends over the shingle on the other side, overlapping it just a couple inches. The repair attempt is done, and I'm not even going to touch the shingles. You can already see that more creases and cracks are forming across the top 2 rungs above this repair attempt shingle. First, I'll go this way. You can see it on both up here. We'll go back the other way. Same concept on both. In my professional opinion, this repair attempt did fail. Thank you for your time.